Hey, they said we gotta walk like a penguin. I don't know what a penguin is. Does anybody know what a penguin is? I've seen a stinking penguin. Gonna walk like a very careful goose. Okay, here we go. Are you gonna jump in? Are you gonna slide in? Or are you gonna fly in? That's what we got. Those are the options. Ah, that was easy. I have to be honest. I thought that most of these waterfowl, including the swans, wouldn't be here in the middle of winter. But they are. This is so cool. This is the jackpot, boy. Again, this is Fairhaven, where I originally filmed my family of swans. Look at this. Tails in the air. Put your tail in the air like you don't care. Synchronized. Oh, we get two more here. No, they didn't synchronize. What was it? Who was that swimmer that used to swim, synchronized swimming? Oh, Esther Williams. Yeah, they're doing their Esther Williams. Wow, the middle of flippin' January, and everybody's out here flipping, and they're walking on the ice. I love this. Look at this. Oh, oh, careful, careful. Don't slip. Don't slip. Oh, there's more. What do we got here? What the hell is that? Oh, it's just a Canadian goose. I shouldn't say just. It's kind of discriminatory. Everybody's... I said, well, if they did it, then maybe we can do it. Okay, they're almost there. Our first couple's almost here. What are they going to do? Here they go. They're like, oh, thank God we're at the end of the ice. Oh, look at... I didn't know they had a special way to do it. This is hilarious. Okay, how am I gonna get down? How am I gonna get down? It's like, what's the worst thing could happen? You could fall in the water. That's awesome. Dun 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 dun. The long trek. Oh man, I didn't put my hat on. It is in the teens today, and okay, let's see what this one does. It's a slide. It's a slide with the back feet. There you go. Now, do these guys do the same thing? Why do they find it awkward? Well, they don't seem to find it as awkward as... That was cheating. That was cheating. So this is common for winter and migration, where birds of different feathers flock together. You've heard this saying, birds of a feather flock together. That's, well, they kind of do, like here, over here they have. But the exception is migration time. Oh, see, there is another group out there. What are they? I'm thinking they're mallards. There they are. The thing is, I have to look through my viewfinder. Oh, beautiful. There's a good still shot. Oh my heavens. So, are you guys gonna land again? Why would you get up like that and do that? I'm not sure what they're doing. It's not me, because I'm just standing here still. Okay. Come on, you know it's better over here. Canadian geese, mallards, swans, and seagulls. That's what's here. And boy, there's a lot of swans. So I'm gonna count the swans. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my best guess here, I can count 80 swans. 80 swans. Now, yes, I believe I did find out they're considered an invasive species, but they're still beautiful to look at. And to see 80 of them in one place is pretty wild. There's probably between 80 and 100, although I did. There's a little ice bar out there everybody's standing on. Amazing. And then, you know, if we go, there's a bunch over there. Come on, focus, hold on. There you are. I mean, this is just this is swans as far as the eye can see. I'm used to seeing Canadian geese as far as the eye can see. What's that little one up there? Some interesting sounds. I want to be alone. Hey, we got something. Is that a bufflehead? Looks like buffleheads. What? Oh, that dove like a bufflehead to me. I get confused sometimes in the distance between mergansers and buffleheads. I've got a beautiful bird book that I got for Christmas, and I got to go home and look up these birds. Okay. I was just trying to get a... That's a bufflehead. Get my head if that ain't a bufflehead. Oh, where'd I go? Where'd he go? Where did he go? Look at that. Look at how fast that little guy is. You the man. Oh. Just trying to get a full look at this, because honestly this is amazing to me, because my arms are tired. Because it's the time of year here when you just kind of hide in your house. It's, you know, down near zero and you're afraid to go out because, you know, there's these warnings about how fast the flesh freezes and things like that. And it's completely silent because there's like nothing moving outside. And with that in mind, it's really cool to come someplace where you can remember that there is wildlife out there. There are, you know, some of them are struggling to survive. Different kinds of wildlife do have trouble surviving in the winter. The ones that are here, that stay here, they're probably going to do okay. And they come to places like this and they group together. I mean, it's just amazing to see life happening out here because it's just so still and quiet most of the time. And we've got a blue heron. He looks very cold. He's like, I can't believe it's this cold. It's the Swan Convention.